Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Mini Craft Express Heat Machine. This is it right here. This is in the yellow color. That's the power button. It also came with a carry bag and then a little spray bottle. So I'm going to be heat pressing some glitter vinyl onto this bow, and in here it'll show you how to turn it on and then the heat settings. So I'm gonna put this on the second heat setting. So it just turned on, and then I'll click it one more time. Oops. And then it'll be on the second heat setting, so I'm gonna give it a minute to heat up now. So whenever it gets to the correct temperature, the light will turn from red to green. So I'm gonna do what I normally would, and I'm gonna heat up the surface first, like I would on a regular heat press. And now that that's warm, I'm gonna put down the glitter vinyl. And then I'm gonna get my piece of butcher paper and then press in sections, since the vinyl is bigger than the press, for about 15 seconds. So I'm gonna hold that down. And then push down a little bit to give it pressure. Gonna move on to the next section. Hold that for about 15 seconds again. And then I'll take it off, remove that, and then peel the transfer sheet off. And then there you go.